So you can see, use trapezoidal rule for subinterval, means n is equal to 4. Approximate value, upper limit, lower limit is 0, upper limit pi over 4. Then give your answer 3 decimal place. So make sure, remember radian, okay? Radian, when you're doing trigo, we have pi, we have to do it in radian mode. So your calculator set it in radian, angle unit, radian. Then only our calculation will be correct. Okay, so for trapezoidal rule, first step, we're going to find our height, which is b minus a over n. b is pi over 4, a is 0 over 4, so it will be pi over 16. So that will be our h. Then we can use our calculator already. Okay, so we can see n is 4, means our ordinates, how many x coordinates we have here. Our ordinates will be having 5 ordinates, yeah, because when you see you have 4 trapezium. 4 trapezium, as I draw it out, 4 trapezium, you notice that here x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. So I will have 5. So our column will be 7. Okay, 5 plus 2, one is title, one is total. Okay. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7. X, and then Y, we have 2. Okay, so this is X, this is Y. We're going to do cos square. Okay, cos square, how to press later on, yeah? So this is our x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. Then lastly, total. So of course, our starting value, lower limit is 0. Upper limit is pi over 4. So how we going to calculate this in terms of pi? Yeah? So you can start with 1 over 4 like that, because, start with 0. Okay, 0 plus, what is your height? 1 over 16. So it become 1 over 16 pi. And then 2 over 16 become 1 over 8 pi. Then 3 over 16 pi. Then 4 over 16 become 1 over 4 lah. Then we press our calculator, we find for table. Take your mode, find for your table. Number 9. Okay, function cos square. So you notice that we have to put bracket cos alpha x square. So close this, only put square. So in calculator, you cannot write the square in the middle here. So our cos will be in bracket, then square. This is how we write our trigo into the power of square. Then enter gx we don't have, so start from 0 and be pi over 4. Then enter what is your step, means what's your height. You will be shift pi over 16. Okay, so the x value already there, so we just want to find our y value, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. Okay, so y2, 0.961. So 3 decimal place extra 2 will be 94. Okay, then continue. 0.853 extra 2 will be 55. Then continue. 0.69134. Then continue for the last one, 0.5. So add it up total, this is 1.5. Okay, so that one I need to clear off this. Okay, then finally we can move it to our trapezoidal rule formula cos square x dx. Approximate is not equal, yeah, because this is an approximation method where our formula is h over 2, then in bracket 1.5, so the length here is the other length here need to times 2. Okay, so press your calculator, make sure you press the fraction first, then only again shift pi over 16, then go for 2. Okay, so finally we get 0.63. Okay, so we will straight away round off to 3 decimal place. So 9, 4. So 9 is 4. After that is 4. So 4 no need to round off. So we just put at 9 only. So that will be the 3 decimal place that we want. So we can have a check. Okay, we have a check here. So I just now already reset our calculator back to decimal already. So therefore I need to set up back our angle unit into radian so that I can do this define integral. Okay, do this define integral from cos square. So I have to put bracket because this cos alpha x need to square. Okay, so cos x, this square is for the whole cos. And then lower limit 0, go for upper limit here is shift pi over 4. Okay, so 0.62. Yeah, that is close lah. This is close already, close by 0. Just difference a bit, 0.03. 0.03, then we will get 642. So direct integration answer accurate. This one just approximate, so answer a bit difference in decimal.